The workshop's 72 hours to develop digital innovation is a challenge during 4 days where students and managers from SME work together to develop new digital devices. The digital devices could be a website or a mobile application. The workshop has different collaborative sequences called Agile Sprint, where participants will apply digital innovation methods and work on different aspects like user experience, new trends, or RRI concept. The last edition was followed by more than 90 participants. At the end of the 4 days, the teams present their proof of concept in front of managers of SMEs, startup, or even citizens or big company leaders.
So for this model, one objective is to integrate the principle of responsible research and innovation, the so-called RRI, in the design process. It means that we don't want designers to do some supplementary task to consider responsiveness. In fact, it has to be integrated in the process. So we develop a methodology where designers confront their solution all along the project. They confront their solution to some RRI criteria. This criteria relates in fact to gender equality, governance, open access, science education, ethics, and also users integration.
The workshop 72 hours to develop digital innovation exists from 2018 at the University of Lorraine, and we have already experienced this workshop with many SMEs and also a big company like Air France.
Yeah, and now we are ready to transfer all the know-how about this model to other universities or other countries, and thanks to the DigiTeRRI Project we already have contacts in Sweden.